Then the final question regarding the elasticity, why elasticity is important? It is important for producers to determine the price, right? In some cases, when you increase price, you may lose all your income, revenue. You increase your price to have a higher profit. But what can happen? You may be losing all your profit. And so, for example, if you take these days, telecommunication industry in Sri Lanka, we have several companies, right? Mobitel, Dialog, and so and so. But if you look at the price of Mobitel and Dialog, even the other companies, what is happening? The usual belief with the general public is, if you increase your price, you will increase your profit. That is the natural behavior. So we expect that when price increase, profit will be increased. Then these people should increase price. Why Mobitel and Dialog are not increasing their price? If you look at the prices, they are really getting down. And compared to 10, 15 years ago, today, of course, technology is a matter, but competition also a matter. And due to their competition, they are decreasing their price. In fact, the TRC, Telecommunication Regulating Commission, had to intervene in the telecommunication market because they are putting their price down significantly, zero price. This couple package, triple package, and so on. With all these, what they are trying to decrease the price as much as possible. Why they are doing that? It is because they want to have profit. When they decrease the price, they have increased profit because they know the elasticity. Elasticity for mobile phone demand from Mobitel is elastic. It's kind of closer to perfectly elastic. A little bit price increment, what happens? People will get away from Mobitel and join with the Dialog. Dialog also has the same. It is inelastic demand for their product. Whenever it increases the price, people tend to move away from Dialog and join with the Mobitel because we get the same satisfaction. We have no any difference, right? Of course, if you are got used to use something, of course. And there are certain market manipulation, like some companies, they try to use the public sector. So therefore, public sector workers, they tend to use particular type of good because with the marketing strategies. And the other segment may try to get with the business people and thereby increase their dominance in the business people. But anyway, they are not increasing price, they are decreasing price. It is because they know what type of demand they are having. Therefore, for producers, price elasticity of demand is very much important. In fact, if you want, you can later do the calculations, get into the textbook. Textbook is providing nice example how we determine the price with elasticity. When you have price elasticity, of course, using the information of the price elasticity, we can set our price perfectly such that we get the profit maximized. The other case is for the government. Of course, this one we will be discussing next week. So for the government, when it wants to put tax, it need to determine what will happen to my tax. Will my tax be increased or decreased? In some cases, by increasing the tax rate, reducing the tax. When you decrease the tax rate, of course, you will be getting increase the tax. When we increase the tax rate, then we get higher tax. So therefore, of a demand, what type of a supply we are dealing with. They need to know the price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and elasticity of supply. Then only the government can put the correct level of tax such that government will be getting increase its tax income. So therefore, for producers and for the government, this price elasticity of demand is very important.